Top tips about how to make money online that anyone can follow. Do you wish to make some extra income? Do you want more money? Earning money online is simpler than you ever thought it could be. Don't look any further in order to make money. You may be surprised at how many opportunities there are to make money via the internet. Take a look around, you'll be surprised at what you find. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Don't quit your day job until the online money-making opportunity you're looking into starts paying off. While it could prove to be a jackpot, you don't want to risk being up the creek if it's not what you were hoping for. Always have enough money in the bank for a few months of bills, just to be on the safe side. Now that you have come to the end of this video, you know a thing or two about online money making. Profit by applying these tips. Continue to find ideas on making money through the internet. If you know how to pick the right methods, you could be making money online in no time at all. Student loan.